I chose scenario number 2. Me. It seems like this situation is making you very upset. You want to wear your favorite skirt as well as your pants with the hearts. But if you wear the skirt over the pants, you wouldn't be able to see most of the hearts on the pants. Is that right? Daughter. Yes. Me. This is a difficult decision to make. What if we take a minute to think about a solution? Daughter. Okay. Me. I'll be back in a minute and we can both share our ideas. 1 minute later. Me. Were you able to think of a solution? Daughter. No! I really would like to wear both. Me. I understand. Do you want to hear the solution I came up with? Daughter. Yeah. Me. Well, since it's a Valentine's Day party and Valentine's Day is all about love and hearts, would you not love to wear the pants with the hearts on them? And maybe you can change it to your favorite skirt once you get home. This way, you get to wear the skirt and the pants all in one day. What do you think about this idea? Daughter. Well, I really want to wear both. Me. I'm sorry this is hard. Your options are 3. Number 1, wearing the skirt over the pants and only seeing some of the hearts on the pants. Number 2, wearing your pants with the hearts for the party and changing into your favorite skirt once you get home. And number 3, not going to the party and staying at home with me. Which of these 3 options would you like to do? Daughter. I guess I'll wear the skirt over my pants even though you can only see some of the hearts on my pants. Me. Perfect! Your outfit is going to be one of the best at that party, I'm sure. You see, next time you have a hard decision to make, take some time and think of solutions before getting frustrated. Now, do you mean what you said to me before we talked about solutions? Daughter. I don't remember what I said. Me. Do you like me? Daughter. Yes. Me. Do you think people like me? Daughter. Yes. Me. Do you think my mother likes me? Daughter. Yes. Me. I understand that we tend to say things we don't mean when we're upset. But what you said really hurt my feelings. Can you please say sorry? Daughter. Sorry, Mom. Me. It's okay. I'm much happier now. I love you. Daughter. I love you too.